what's up guys, it's Mr. Bacon here and I'm playing Terraria. And right now I'm killing the Eye Cthulhu. This guy's really freaking easy. And he's dead. What did I get from that? Okay, that's okay. I'm actually looking for this stuff, but trying to make a furnace. This is the only world that has it. I think I just skipped some though. No, I did not, but I'm still gonna look. Ooh, a goblin army. How wonderful! I just need to find some of that stuff. Found a mine shaft. I think I've already been in this one though. Yeah, I don't want any of that stuff. But I actually would take the chest. Never mind then, I can't take the chest. Okay. So I know I have to go deep underground. So, I can't find any of that, but I have a feeling it's way down by hell, but not in hell, by hell. Oh yeah, here's one of my other caves I made. Yeah, I just have to keep on going this way. Ooh, hi, Mr. Wizard. I could sell some stuff. Sell. Okay, I'm keeping that for my other world. I'm gonna keep that too, but for right now I'm gonna not sell anything. It'd be super awesome if I got 500 likes on this video and 50 subscribers. That'd be so cool. But for right now, I'm just trying to find the stuff I need to make that. Oh, I remember that statue. I know where I'm at. I need some light here. Is that it? I think that's some of it. No, that's not it. I don't think that's it. Yeah, that's not it. Nope. Another mine shaft. See what's in the chest. Oh, just that. I think I found some. Honestly, I don't think it's it. I'm gonna get rid of something in my inventory. No, that's Orclanium. I'm actually gonna mine so I can go get some. Cause I know if you go down farther. Wait, this has to be it. Yep, it's it. I found some. Oh, there's still more down there. But there's a whole bunch of skeletons. Excuse me, but I need this. I think I found some more. Yeah, there's some more right there. Now the lava's burning me. No, stay away, lava. You know what, I'm gonna get my health potions out just for the heck of it. I know there's some right there, but I'm not gonna get that. That stuff right there. I'm not gonna get that. I found some more and I found a chest. Oh no, it's a mimic! You dang mimics. Wait a second. Get the mighty palm hammer out. Okay, I thought that was something else. Honestly, I did think that was something else. I'm not gonna get that unless I actually like try. A hand. I'm not going to collect it. This hand's stuck. I just need a whole crap load of this to make a furnace. And then I'm gonna see what I can melt from that. There is some more. And I believe that is some more. Yes, it is. Right by the lava areas is where it's mostly spawned. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. Oh, I forgot. No, that's Orclanium. No, I don't need that stuff. Giant bats. Hate you. I'm on hell for just for the heck of it. Oh no. A demon. Archdemons. No, leave me alone, archdemons. Well, I have enough, so I'm gonna go to my other world. Okay, so I'm here. So now I need to go to the crafting table. Crafting table! Now where's that furnace at? It's way down at the bottom. What else do I need? I got that. What the heck? I can craft it. Oh, my inventory's full. Ha! Let's just get rid of this lens. Oh, I need a mithril anvil. There it is. Wait, that's it? That's all I already... Oh, come on. That's all I needed? I already got something like that. Okay, so I got a little place built for my furnace, so... I don't know why I have that, because it does like the same thing. See, like... It still do the same thing, but... Make this kryptonite, not kryptonite. Why did I say kryptonite? Crantanium or whatever the heck it's called. I'm gonna go down to my anvil. Wow, that's a lot of weapons I could make. Very fast speed. I'm gonna craft. I hate it when my inventory is filled. Cool armor, I'll tell you that. Let's check it out. Got a lot of arrows for it. This thing actually is pretty fast. Maybe kill the wall of flesh again. Oh, I need to plant those seeds. Yeah, I forgot about that. I'm gonna plant them on this side. And I'm gonna plant them right here too. No! Don't kill her or him! Leave them alone! Die! And I'm gonna plant some over here too. Okay, I'm all out. Okay, so, what was I gonna do? I forgot what I was gonna do. Oh yeah, I remember what I was gonna do. And why in the world not? Why can't I make any armor at all? Do I have any? That's the only stuff I have? I'm pretty sure I have some more. Yeah, I was gonna say, I have 81. I needed the ores to make that furnace though. My inventory is filled. Craft. Craft. And craft. There we go. Now it looks awesome. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, but remember to subscribe and like, but other than that, have a great time.